Te caemos con 40. Te.
A pronoun meaning you. It's the informal singular.
You.
Used when addressing a familiar person or group. Pronounced.
Te.
With a soft, unstressed sound. Its usage depends entirely on the context and relationship with the person being addressed.
Caemos.
The first person plural present tense form of the verb.
Caer.
Meaning, to fall. In this context, it implies
We fall.
or we attack, descend upon.
Pronoun said.
Kah-eh-mos.
With a soft sound and the stress on the first syllable. The before the
Mos is a schwa sound.
Con.
A preposition meaning with. Pronounced.
Con.
A short sound with the
O.
as in on. It indicates the manner or accompaniment of the action. It's a very common preposition in Spanish. Signifying accompaniment. Means. Or instrumentality.
40.
A number meaning 40. Pronounced
40.
with the stress on the first syllable. It indicates an intensifying quantity or force related to the verb.
Caemos.
Putting it together.
Te caemos con 40.
Is a colloquial expression, often used in a playful or threatening way. It literally translates to, we fall on you with 40, implying a strong or overwhelming attack, either playfully or seriously. The cuarenta is hyperbolic, emphasizing the force of the action. The exact connotation depends heavily on tone and context, ranging from a playful, we're all over you, to a more serious threat of overwhelming force.